How you doing? It's Chris again from C&H Auto Accessories, and it's another beautiful rainy day here in Florida. And why am I standing in the rain? Because I got a new product to show you, or something new we have done. And Anthony, who owns this truck, drove all the way from Michigan to work on his truck. So what have we done? You have never seen this before, so I'm gonna get all wet just so you can see something you have not seen before. Now, you've seen the Nissan Frontier, you've seen it with the Sport Bar, you have seen it with the Revolver X4S, but you have not seen it with the RetraPro Mx. That's right, very first time doing a rolling canister cover with this. Now, unfortunately, with the rain on here, I'll do my best to show you, but basically, this is bolted on. It's actually bolted into the bed cap and into the cover, and because of that, it is very, very secure. It's not going anywhere. So let me show you. Now, the Retrax is nice because there's a 500-pound weight capacity, which is one of the highest, by the way. Lifetime warranty. And because this is a rolling canister cover versus a rolling cover, it clears the Sport Bar. You know from previous videos, sometimes the cover would hit this. As you can see from this one, it does not hit this. So again, you can go, look at that. Huh? Very nice, right? So, and you can lock it anywhere along the track here. So, and again, the only one that does that is the RetraPro Mx, unless you get an electric cover. So, I'm going to open it up. His bed's going to get a little wet, but I'm going to show you here. As you can see, he does not lose his cargo management system. It's still intact here. You do have room underneath the canister, and we did not have to make any new holes for the drainage system. There are pre-made holes right from the factory that we have used. So, everything he's got in his bed, he gets to keep. He doesn't lose anything. And he, most important, he did not lose this great looking Sport Bar here. So again, look how nice that is. There we go. Lock it up. Now, everything we have done today has a 1-year labor guarantee, lifetime on the parts. That's right. So everything you see here, we can cover it for an entire lifetime. Now, there's some fine print to it, so you do have to read it. Again, I'm going to go in fast because I hear the weather going even worse. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is the RetraPro Mx with the factory roll bar on a Nissan Frontier. And don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.